Welcome to the SOFiSTiK online documentation. This video shows how to start a new project. To start a new project, open the SOFiSTiK structural desktop. If there is no SSD icon on your desktop, you can start the program by choosing it in the Windows Start menu. Create a new project. Select the directory where your project should be saved. Choose a name for the database. The file with the ending .sofistik is the main project file where all information about your project input will be saved. In the title section you can enter a description for your project. In the design code group box, the design code has to be chosen. You may choose the flag of the country that you want its design code. For Eurocode without national annex, you may select the EU flag. In the System group box, you may choose between 2D and 3D system, depending on your project's requirements. The group divisor is used to separate the elements in groups. You can change it to accommodate your project. For further information about the group divisor, check the SOFiSTiK manual. Next, you can choose the units for the input from the unit set. The units that will be automatically assigned are the ones related to the design code that you have selected. The model you will select here should be related to your application, and it will also affect the unit selection. But here you can change manually the units that are related to geometry, cross-section, material, beam, quad element, loads, forces, and physics. After doing the changes on the units, make sure to press on OK. The language option here is for the input language, which can either be English or German. In the boxed values here, the user may change the specific national annex values. For the pre-processing, you may use the SOFiSTiK graphical pre-processing, which is based on AutoCAD. Other options for the pre-processing are TEDI, which is based on text input, Revit, which is a building information modeling software, and Rhino, non-uniform rational B-spline-based geometric modeler, especially designed for the creation and handling of complex freeform shapes. For the calculation, you have to define the orientation of dead load, and select the program module you want to use. It is important to know that the settings for the coordinate system and the norm cannot be changed subsequently. Now press on OK to create the new project. This is the end of the video. Thank you for your attention.